No, it's been a very interesting morning so far. We've had some excellent content, especially from the regulators. Very positive, very positive, and really proactive thoughts from the regulator there, which I'm sure will really help Pakistan improve and grow its economy. I mean, obviously there are lots of people here. It's a great buzz in the hall, and I'm very much looking forward to the rest of the day.
As Bank Al-Falah, we've been involved with the ICAP conferences for a while. I think this is a very good initiative to bring out the real issues in the economy, discuss them amongst the CFO community, and try to come up with some solutions and answers for the challenges that Pakistan faces. So I think it is a very positive effort, and hopefully it is value added for everybody who attends. We will at Bank Al-Falah continue to support this as we go along. Thank you very much.
ये conference, mashallah, I was really impressed with both the conferences in Karachi. I was in the panel discussion in Karachi, and today I'm going to attend in Islamabad. The thing which really impressed me was the level of commitment from the audience. You know, generally conferences start with high attendance level and tapers off, but यहाँ पर लोग माशाल्लाह आखिर तक बैठे रहते, and there was a lot of desire for learning as well. And I feel that the CFO community in Pakistan really has to play a very pivotal role in moving this nation forward, because वहीं चीज़ें आपकी governance की होती हैं और सारी चीज़ें वहीं पर start भी होती हैं, end भी होती है. So in my mind, being a chartered accountant myself, I feel that there's a big responsibility on the Institute of Chartered Accountant, and I'm sure they're doing a good job, and I wish them luck for the future. Thank you.
My name is Rashid Mansoor. I am CEO of JS Investments Limited. We are one of the co-sponsors of this conference, and my personal view on the subject and the conference is that it's a very useful event, and in terms of corporate governance, I think such conferences would go a long way. As far as governance in our country is concerned, on the general topic of governance, I would not say much, but confining myself to governance in the corporate sector, I think there's a lot which can be done and can be easily achieved. I am optimistic because the corporate sector in Pakistan happens to be one of the most documented, especially the financial sector in Pakistan, of which I am a part, is one of the most documented sectors in Pakistan. And in the past few years, we have seen different initiatives from our regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, in terms of drafting a code of corporate governance. And as the chairman SECP mentioned today, we are going in now to the next level, which would be having a revised code of corporate governance, which would go a long way in ensuring that the corporate businesses are transparent, well documented, and well reported. Thank you.
My name is Bilal Moti. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Arif Habib Limited, which is one of the leading investment banking and the brokerage houses in Pakistan. First of all, I would like to congratulate the ICAP for arranging and managing such a beautiful conference in Islamabad after Karachi. And the great thing is to see so many CFOs turning out and making it a success. The great opportunity was to basically hear so many great speakers from all across the financial services industry, the bankers, of course, the auditors, etc., etc., which has been a great success. I think the corporate world and the financial world of Pakistan is definitely giving a very good impression about overall change process, and I'm very glad to be the part of the conference. We are definitely here to ensure that we play our part in promoting and encouraging the capital markets of Pakistan, by offering a great level of brokerage as well as investment banking services to the financial community of Pakistan. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nahil Mahmood and I am President and founder of Cloud Security Alliance in Pakistan. The CFO conference series, I was speaking in Karachi last week, and today we have this conference in Islamabad. This has been a wonderful opportunity to network with key financial and CFO people and personalities from around Pakistan. Very, very senior people. And I'm very impressed with the way that ICAP has organized these conferences. And the way that they are introducing the latest topics is also wonderful. For example, I'm speaking on cloud computing. I spoke in Karachi as well, and I'm introducing cloud computing to a CFO and a financial audience. And we're going to be talking about the value that this shift in the way that IT is conducted is going to bring to organizations, is already bringing to organizations around the world. And we're introducing this to CFOs. And around the world, what's happening is that CFOs are driving really IT. Many of the CIOs, about half the CIOs around the world, report to the CFO. And it's critical that CFOs should know about the advancements in IT, what the advancements are, and what value cloud computing, for example, can bring to an organization. So it's lovely that ICAP is forward-thinking, is introducing these new topics to their members. And I congratulate once again ICAP for conducting this tremendous conference. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Tajamal Shah. I was a presenter at the ICAP CFO conference. It was a very good conference. A lot of the finance community attended, and I think a lot of the attendees benefit from some excellent papers delivered by some very well-known speakers. I hope ICAP continues such efforts for the future.